Holdout 2. You can see what we have. Nova. Cerberus. That's what we're attacking with. Let's go in and clear the space. Bring them all in. Put them on hold. Basically go to sleep. And you can clear the base. You move the Cerberus a little bit, not much. Good enough right there. People start attacking. The only thing you do is you wait for the gift to show up. Other than that, it's pretty doggone easy. In the first round, you don't ever get any gifts. You just leave them alone. Don't move anything. They will kill the base. And if you get bored, move your Cerberus a little bit. Other than that, that's it. It's just that difficult. Oh, look, some more come to die. Every now and then you get some nice toys to play with, but not usually. So we'll see what they give us for gifts. Sooner or later, a gift will come. Be interesting to see what we get. But not in the first round. You just sit there and let your tune kill them. It's literally just that easy. He's got a gift coming. Death. That's what you get for moving. All right. Now we might get something. So we'll highlight the Nova. I'll use Nova to pick up the packages. Sometimes over here you'll get a gift. There it is. Boom. See right there? There's your gift. See what they give us. Oh, this is the best. Of all the different gifts you can get, that one's good. You get rocket buggies. All right, got to move my Cerberus a little bit. He's getting shot at. These little rocket buggies, of all the different gifts you can get, I think they're the best. All right, bring him back here, right there. Bring the rocket buggies in. They will fight for you. Put them wherever you want to put them. And then basically just let everything fight for you. If you get bored, move your Cerberus around a little bit. Right now, everything's just getting killed. All right. I don't want that to happen. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Get him inside the shadow so you can kill him. Get him inside the shadow so you can kill him. Come on, a little bit further. All right. Now you can kill him. There you go. All right. Okay, here comes the air. They'll attack the Cerberus, so put your Cerberus wherever you want him. Bring the aircraft inside the circle. Once they come inside the circle, all your tunes will kill them. Just keep them chasing the Cerberus. They're just chasing the Cerberus. That's it. Now, put him, because sometimes you'll get another gift around now. You just don't know. You got to keep your eyes open. Pull him back just a hair. Where's the gift? Usually there's a gift right around here somewhere when these guys show up. Not this time. Just sit and wait. They'll come in. Once they come in, kill them. Right, third wave. Well, it's time to give me something else to play with. Usually it shows up out here. Not showing up. That's all right. We'll survive. You just let your troops kill them. You don't have to do anything other than just sit there. They will kill them dead. There it is, way out here. See it out here? Go get it. See what they give us. Oh, they give us a spider. Spider's about worthless. The only thing Spider's good for is he'll kill the jug, but that's not till you get to level 3. Other than that, the Spider's not real good. But you know what? You take what you can get. Didn't cost you anything. All right, get the Spider in here. All right, now we will select. Again, the air's coming, so draw the air in. They will chase your Cerberus. Draw the air in with your Cerberus. They'll chase him. Keep him moving around a little bit. Draw the air in. Keep your Cerberus moving. All right, that's it. Spider, stop moving. Get over there. There, got some more air coming. Draw the air in so everything else can kill it. Get it inside the shadow. Once it gets inside the shadow, it's dead. There you go. Okay. That's it. Everything else will kill it. Put your Cerberus right there. That's as good as any. Any more gifts for us? Okay, here comes more air. So just get your Cerberus moving. Draw the air inside the shadow of the dark storm, and they will die. Just use your Cerberus to distract everything else. Get the air inside the shadow. Once it gets inside the shadow, that's it. Any more gifts? Sometimes there is. Sometimes there is not. I think this is the last one. All right, get that Cerberus moving. Kill these guys over here. Just draw them in. Draw them in. All right. Oh, that's it. Okay. You saw how hard it was to do. All the different little toys you get. This time you get 2 Envoy, 2 Annihilator, 2 Manticore. Next time you get 4. Let's see how much damage we have. What's wrong?
We have grass that needs mowed.
Let's see how much damage we took. 8 minutes. But of those 8 minutes, most of it was the Cerberus. Let's see how much the Cerberus got. The Cerberus got, 8 minutes. That's it. That's a level 2.